Hello children, welcome to my channel Geet Ma'am Online Preschool. So today I am here with some fun activity of maths. Do you find maths interesting or little boring? If you find it interesting, that is very good. If you find it little boring, so let's add some fun into it. What you need to do, you need to draw a clock and write the numbers. So now here we will do addition. You can draw and we will start. Just very simple activity which you will enjoy. First we will do addition. Twelve. 11 plus 1 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. 9 plus 3 again 12. 8 plus 4 again 12. 7 plus 5, 12, and 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Interesting? So now we will do one activity with clock, same activity for subtraction. Now we will do activity of subtraction. Subtraction, minus sign. 12 minus 6 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. And 9 minus 3 is again 6. So it is a very interesting activity of doing subtraction and addition here. So do try this and comment and let me know did you enjoyed it or not. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon.